Hello, we're going to be talking about creating articles, writing blogs, using blog providers like Hashnode and Medium to write blogs and quickly just put up your blog out there, right? So when you content creating by article writing, you could, create like a custom blog or create one for yourself, but then you could also just use Hashnode or Medium to just create your blogs and put it out there because they already have like viewers who already read those blogs there. You don't need to do any marketing. You can do your own marketing, right? Or publicity, but you don't necessarily need to do it because they already have people going on the website, and that's like one of the advantages of using Medium or Hashnode or any other third-party blog providers out there, right? Then what do you need to look out for? So I'm not this is not like a class on article writing or blog writing or stuff like that. It's not really right. But then I'm just going to point you a little bit on the right direction and also point it on how to write some of these or how to use some of these platforms to write your blog, right? So I'm just going to quickly share my screen. Um, Let me see. Just give me a quick second to pull this up. Great. So I have this here. Also, I have this. I went in search for two blog articles that could point us. Sorry about that. That point us in the right direction. So I have this blog post. It says how to be successful and get everything you want in life. And this is just like a friendly blog. If you go through it, you see the introduction, all of that. So you want to finally discover how to be successful. First, imagine where you will honestly be in the next 5 years, and blah 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 blah. And then you have like some images and some subheadings, more subheadings, and just keep going. And then you probably get to the end and you have like a conclusion. Um, yep, exactly. You have like a conclusion. So this is almost the same thing with all articles that you have out there. You have like an introduction, you have like some subheadings to explain what your article is about, and then you have a conclusion, right? So this is another article. What should I do in my life? These 9 questions will tell you. What should I do in my life? That's a really scary question. That's like the introduction. Then you have like quotes from other persons and stuff like that, and you have your subheadings. And then if I scroll to the end, you definitely should have a conclusion. Sometimes it's not called conclusion. Sometimes it's just a closing paragraph, and it's not coming up. Trying to make it come up, it's not coming up. But basically, that's just what an article is about and how it works. So just I'm just going to pull you to Medium and Hashnode now. So I have both of them open here on my system. The UI is very easy to use and all of that. For let me see. I think they both have like a dark mode, and I can see that for Medium, but then Hashnode's right here, which I think I prefer working with dark modes, right? I don't know why, it just looks more cooler. Yeah, so another thing with Hashnode is you could also have like a URL that points to your own blog domain, right? So I think I have one, but I can't remember what it is. Let me see. Yeah, so codes.hashnode.dev just points there. So I could also just give people that's my blog, and then I think I could also create like a custom URL for that as well, right? So that's also possible with Hashnode. That's if you want to use Hashnode. So then to just create an article, all you need to do is just click on write for Hashnode and it goes to the page. But then for Medium, I think all you need to do is see how easy it is to write a blog and create a blog and add images and stuff like that. It's more like you're working on Microsoft Word or with a title Word. And that's the question. And that's like the title of my I'd like I could have image. If I do that, do any of those things, right? Then once I continue this type lines, right? So when I do that, it shows me some of the things that I might want to do. I could add a GitHub gist, I could put an HTML element, a table. Say I want to add an image, I could go to media and then add an image or a link and stuff like that, right? So at the same time, I'm on my Medium. My Medium is still opening up. My internet is poor. All right, great. So let's see what do I want to do with my life. And then right here for this, all I need to just click the plus sign on it. You can see I can add an image. And I could also have add an image directly from Unsplash. So if I do not have an image in mind, I could just go to Unsplash, add a video, add an embed, new code block, and a new part, and I can do whatever I want to do with this, right? So basically, that's just how easy it is to work with Medium or Hashnode. And when you're done, all you need to do is click publish here or publish. Yeah, you could also preview it before you publish. So that's like almost having everything at your disposal. So this is just how easy it is to work with blogs and create blogs. If you do have any questions, as usual, ask me or ask your fellow participants in the community, and then we would be able to give you an answer to whatever question that you might have. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.